Ladies and gentlemen, I remember it was year 2006 when I was working for cruise line. Yes, for shipping company. There are two kind of ship. One which is for passengers who roam one country to another, who come for traveling one country to another country. And one is for goods, for carrying goods from one country to another. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I remember those days we were going to Australia, Brisbane. There was a port in Queensland, and many passengers came on the board. And in those passengers, there was a family. When I welcome on board, sir, he became very happy, or they became very happy. He was with his wife and two children. They came, they asked my name, and I also asked his name. His name was Dale Finlayson. I remember that day he told me that don't call me sir. I'm not like sir. Please call me Dale. Then I told that sir, you are most senior than me. That's why I'm calling sir. And you are our guest. That is also a reason I'm calling you sir. Then he requested me that no Ranjay, don't call me sir. I'm just like you. Then after that day, he called me in his cabin to introduce his wife and both children. I went there and they became very happy to meet me, and I also became very happy to meet them. Ladies and gentlemen, after that day, I used to go in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, because I liked to go there to meet them. They were really charming people, and I wanted to meet them again and again, and they also liked the same. Then on fourth day, we went to Jamaica. There was a port, Montego Bay. Actually, there was a beach. The beach name was Montego Bay. It was a beautiful beach. Yes. When we went there, I was standing on the sand, not going into the water. Then Mr. Dale called me, Dale Finlayson called me. Hey Ranjay, what are you doing there? Come into the water. Come. I told, sir, I don't know swimming. Please sir, I'm happy here, please. Then he told, oh Ranjay, I'll teach you. Come. I told, sir, I am very much afraid from water, sir, because I don't know swimming. So please, sir. Then his wife and both children, they all were calling me. And I felt very bad that they are calling and I'm not going into the water. I went, and Dale taught me various techniques how to swim. Yes. And I was very much happy that he taught me, and it was very easy to swim in the water. Before that I was so much afraid, but after that day my all fear like vanished. And ladies and gentlemen, that day I felt very good. I was so happy that they met me, and they were also very happy. And you know, when we came in the ship, then they called me, and they said that I never met you type of person. Same I told them, this is the first time I came out from my home and so far, and the first time I'm meeting you type of people, or I met you and I feel so much closer to you. They were also very happy, and after 7 days they had to go to their home because their cruise was finishing in 7 days. The very next day they had to move, they had to go, because I knew I was a crew member there. So I purchased 2 hats for both child and 2 watches for Mr. Dale and for his wife. They were very happy, and they were also very sad. They were supposed to cry that time, and I was feeling the same at that time. Ladies and gentlemen, it was first time a foreigner met me, and I was feeling so much closer to them. It was a very sad moment when they were just going to leave the ship. I was also crying. They also gifted me a hat because beachside, all foreigners and even they are not foreigner, but they are using hat because of sunlight. So they also gifted me a hat. I have kept very safely. Yes. Then Mr. Dale Finlayson and his family was going to leave the ship. He told me that Ranjay, whenever you come to Australia, please call me. He had given me his contact, his email ID, and he told me that whenever you come, I will receive and I'll take you to my home. And I also tell to him that Dale, if you come to India, please call me, and I would be the happiest person of the world that you came to India and called me. I would be the happiest person. I was also crying, they were also crying to leave me and ship also. Ladies and gentlemen, I always remember them. When I came to India, I called them, I emailed them, and I also got reply. And it was the moment I became so happy. I want to let you know that I worked only for 2 contracts in shipping line, and in those 2 contracts I roam around the world, more than 50 countries, and I knew their culture. I met people there. The crew member was also from other countries, so I got much more experience, and this is the beautiful memory which I remember always in my life. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many person who are good from heart and who think positive, who think to be happy, and they really be happy, and they spread happiness with everyone with whom they meet. I learned from them that if you are happy, then only you can spread happiness. If you are in sad mood, if you are sad, then what will you spread out? Whatever you will have, you will give that only to the people. So we should have happiness. We should have positive thinking. We should have love for the people. Then only we can spread love. Then only we can give love to the people. This is Ranjay Kumar. I'll meet you in my next story. Thank you so much.